Low aging comes with food, and my secret ingredient is radish. There are so many different ways to have this, but I'm going to show you guys my easiest way to meal prep this so I can have it throughout the week. So I basically just chop this into rounds like this. You can do it in like long sticks, whatever way that tickles your pickle. Cut them into rounds, and then you want to slice them into super thin slices like this. You can also eat it straight like this if you want. Olive oil. I have a lot to cook today. Then I add my 100% grass-fed beef. This is regeneratively sourced, and I really try to eat grass-fed beef whenever I can. 2/3 or like the whole pack of this into the pan. I add a lot of salt and pepper to the mixture. I am by no means a chef, but I do know how to cook healthy food that keeps my skin healthy. We're gonna finish everything off with some perilla oil. My mom has always talked about the benefits of perilla oil for healthy fats. And then I literally brought this from Korea. It's sesame seeds that my mom made herself. And I'm gonna pour everything over. A bite of protein, inflammation, and retinol. Eat your skincare.